is another WOW video. It's part 284C3k19. And it's line 22f1fa19c3k19. Higgs SU rotation, Yukawa, coupling, symmetry, Wow Seti. This is part 2 of the last video, which is K18. Okay? So there's the alien radio signal there. There's the equation with the answers to it. And when I Google those, I get data coming up, and then I look for formulas in it. Okay? So I started doing this on my thoughts October 13th is when I started working on it. Today is November 17th, 2012. In the previous video, I came up with a new idea based on mixing the data together with the formulas and the standard model. Something interesting came up. Quotes from Wiki: this combination of generators, an AZ rotation in the SU2 and a simultaneous U1 rotation by half the angle, preserves the vacuum and defines the unbroken gauge group in the standard model, namely the electric charge group. The part of the gauge field in this direction stays massless and amounts to the physical photon. Consequences for fermions: in spite of the introduction of spontaneous symmetry, breaking the mass terms oppose the chiral gauge invariance. For these fields, the mass term should always be replaced by a gauge-invariant Higgs mechanism. An obvious possibility is some kind of Yukawa coupling, see below, between the fermion field and the Higgs field with unknown couplings, which after symmetry breaking, more precisely after expansion of the Lagrange density around a suitable ground state, again results in the original mass terms, which are now, however, i.e. by introduction of the Higgs field, written in a gauge-invariant way. The Lagrange density for the Yukawa interaction of a fermion field and the Higgs field is, and that's the equation there, okay, or again the gauge field A only enters that equation. It's only indirectly visible. The quantities are the direct matrices in that, okay, is the already mentioned Yukawa coupling parameter. Already now the mass generations follows the same principle as above, namely from the existence of a finite expectation value as described above. Again, this is crucial for the existence of the property mass. Okay, so October 22nd, formula from the data: combine generators, AZ rotation, SU2, add U1 rotation, half the angle, vacuum, define, gauge group, standard model, electric charge group. Gauge field direction, massless, photon, fermions, symmetry breaking, mass, chiral, gauge invariance, Higgs field, mass, gauge invariant, Higgs mechanism, Yukawa coupling, fermion field, Higgs field, unknown couplings, G fermion field. Look up G fermion field equals G is the gluon 001. Google 1 atom and 1A comes up as the helium atom in this diagram. So 1A equals 100,000 FM. Quote from Wiki: an illustration of the helium atom depicting the nucleus pink and the electron cloud distribution black. The nucleus upper right in helium-4 is in reality spherically symmetric and closely resembles the electronic cloud. Although for more complicated nuclei this is not always the case. The black bar is 1 angstrom, 10 minus 10 to the power of minus 10 m, or 100 pm. October 22nd, my thoughts. Your unknown coupling field is the helium-4 atom. Add this to your formulas for the standard model calculations at CERN to get it's supposed to be to get the unknown. Sorry, I actually proofread this and I still missed it. Sorry. There. To get the unknown gauge fermion field that you are looking for. Formula continues in data. Then you always have symmetry breaking, expansion, Lagrange density, ground state, results, original mass terms, Higgs field, gauge invariant, Lagrange density, Yukawa interaction, fermion field, Higgs field, gauge field, a helium-4 atom enters Du indirectly visible, quantities Vu, direct matrices, GV symbol, Yukawa coupling parameter, mass generation follows existence of expectation value equals plus 0 plus find the mass. Okay, so that's the end of that video. We'll go on to the next one. Thanks for watching.